Today is Saturday, August 20th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, 1 year only, Bendix 129-813F monolithic Hydrobooster. This unit is going to be going to my friend Mac in Michigan, and the unit has been completely disassembled, fully restored. It includes a brand new spooler valve, all the seals changed internally, the accumulator, and has been validated and calibrated. And this will be going out to Mac as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation, and his core exchange unit. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976 through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, August 20th. Thank you very kindly.